we are getting out today because we really need it. And by we, I mean me.
All right.
And the dogs. Because Zaya, not digging it.
All right.
Here we go. We decided on no hat. That's okay. Hopefully this trail will be amazing for all the work it takes to do these things. It's pretty cold. The ground is definitely frosty. It's off to a bit of a rough start. We're in a lot of blackberry bushes. But I think we're getting somewhere with some sun. We took a pit stop because I absolutely lost it. So, parenting is really hard. But at least we have good views. You want me to dry your nose? Or do you like tasting it? At this point, I started to get really discouraged because Zaya was just not digging it at all, and I was wondering if it would be worth it. But I kept going for me and the dogs, hoping it would be okay, and someone found his voice. I really want to make it like right over there. A really good goal for next time. With fluffy pillows and blankets deep, for tired engines, a peaceful sleep. Oh. The trip ended up being a success, but alas, it's starting to get late, and we're gonna say goodbye to the mountains. We're not happy about it. Bye, mountains. See you next time. And after a cold descent back down the mountain, we got in our nice warm car and said, see you next time.